Hi everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You are highly welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you coming to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. If you are my old subscribers, I really appreciate you for coming back to my channel. Thank you so much. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to make braided headband, which is very simple to make. These are the pieces I'm using for the tutorial today. I'm using Ankara fabric for this. So you can use any fabric of your choice, depends on how you want it and what you want. You can use plain and pattern, you can use plain, you can use satin, is either shining or doll face. So let's get into it. Here are the three pieces I'm needing for the braided headband, and I'm going to need this one small piece to cover up the rough edge. Now, to know the amount of fabric you are cutting for your own headband, your braided headband, make sure you measure out circumference of your head and add extra 6 to 7 inches to it. That is what I have here now. The circumference of my head plus 7 inches extra because of the braiding. So I'll now continue by folding into two the three pieces. I'm going to fold the three pieces into two. I will let the right side face each other, and I'm going to stitch from here to here by ½ inch. I'm doing the same thing on the remaining two pieces too. I'll go ahead and after doing all that, I'm going to fold this one too, let the right side face each other and stitch with ½ inch. The measurement I have on this short piece is 6 inches long and 4 inches wide. So when I finish doing all that, I'll come and explain, I'll come and show you what's next to do. I'm stitching all of them, as you can see. So what's next now is for me to turn all of them inside out. I'm going to turn it to the right side using my safety pin for that, just like this. I'm going to turn it out easily like this. So when I finish turning all of them, I'll show you what's next. I'm done turning all of them out to the right side. So to make it look bouncing as it is on the screen, I'm going to make use of my wadding in the absence of the foam or fiber. I've already cut all the pieces I need. I've already cut it out. This is my wadding now. Then I like it shorter by 1 inch than the fabric to make the tip easier for me to sew. I'm going to insert my wadding inside the fabric by folding like this into two. I'm going to fold it again, just wrap it to make it enter the fabric. So I'm going to use my safety pin to hold it for me to stock it in. So I'm going to do it one by one. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So when I finish tucking all of it in, I'll show you what's next. Make sure you are folding like this to make it easier for you. And make sure you be careful while doing that. So when I'm done stocking my wadding in now, as you can see, it's now looking bouncing. So I haven't Having done that, I'll go ahead to my machine and place 3 together on the tip here and stitch it with 1/2 inch. As you can see, I'm going to put it together like this and stitch with 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch. So let's to use my machine to hold it down for me to braid it easily, just like this. So I'll now braid it as if I'm braiding here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm braiding it, and make sure you are careful. Do not let it squeeze, and make it firm a little bit. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. So I'll go ahead and stitch, secure this place too with 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch. Now here is it. As you can see, it's very neat and beautiful. So I'll go ahead now and place the 2 tips together just like this and stitch with 1/4 of an inch. Or better still, you can use your hand needle and thread to tack it together, just to hold it like this. So let me quickly do that. I'll come and show you what's next. Having joining the 2 tips together, I'm going to use this short one to cover it up, just for me to make this place neat and to cover the rough edge. So I'll go ahead now, and I've turned this one to inside out. This is the right side of it. So I'll go ahead and use it to cover it like this, and I'm going to take it to my machine and make it firm a little bit here and stitch it before cutting the excess. So stitching, I'm going to cut the excess. So after that, I'll now turn it in like this. So to make this place, this sewing part, to make it in, I'm going to turn it like this and do it very well to make it neat, to cover up my rough edge. Let it be at the middle of it, so that for it to cover up the rough edge. I'm done doing all that. As you can see, it's very neat and beautiful inside out. So I head and tack it at the tip here, at the edge here, both edges. I'm going to tack it. I'll let it be very tiny with my hand needle and thread. So I'm stopping for today, guys. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.